Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please do what to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own stewed beans and corn. Wow, this stewed beans and corn is so delicious. So guys, if this is something you would love to try, then keep on watching. Make this beans and corn. I have my beans and corn here already pre-cooked. I have my garlic and my onions chopped. I have my seasoning cube and my salt. I have my tomato and pepper blended. This is just a mixture of pepper, tomatoes, tatashi, red chili pepper, and onions all blended together. And I have my green bell pepper just for some extra flavor and color. Okay, so guys, let's get started. If you have not subscribed at this point, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, like and comment. Don't forget to share. Alright, guys. So guys, to start with, you add some vegetable oil in your pan. Next, I will go in with my chopped onion and garlic. I'll add in my pepper blender. I'm going to cover and allow it to fry. So guys, I'll go in now with my tomato paste. I'll stir. Going with my seasoning cube, salt, then I will stir. Guys, I have some pomo in the house. I'll just add in my pomo now. It's my blender and this is the water from my blender. I'm going to stir. I will cover this. I will let it boil. Then we'll add in our beans. Remember, you have to cook your beans until it is done. Your beans and corn. So cover it right now and let the water boil. Guys, it's time for us to add in our beans and corn. I'll go with my beans and corn now. I'm going to stir this. I'll cover this and let it steam for about 10 minutes. Going with my crayfish now. Sorry, I forgot. This is optional. If you don't want to add it, you can skip it, okay? I'll stir. Cover and let it cook. So guys, I'll go in now with my green bell pepper and our stewed beans and corn is ready. Let me know guys, this is something that you would love to prepare. Let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching my video, please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. Until I see you next time, bye bye.